AGK. I'm the CEO of this company, Great Georgian Limited. I'm 36 years old. I've been in this business for about 15 years now. I started with a humble beginning. I had a humble beginning. I went to serve in Lagos, from Lagos down to Abuja, where I started in a small scale. I started as a technician. I work. I repair cars as well. So gradually I have to move into the business fully. I specialize in Honda motor spare parts of all kinds, especially in the electrical side. Although I deal with the body, as you can see. Anything electrical, anything Honda body accessories. Honda is a very nice car. In fact, generally, and from the research I made so far, I come to understand that Honda is one of the cars that have the best engine in the world. The bad side of Honda that all customers or few of my customers complain is legs. Most of this problem comes from the users. There is no way Honda will give you leg problem on the road without giving you a sign. It must give you a sign. Then another problem is that some of our customers, some will go into using some, parts they are not supposed to use. Maybe low standard product. If you want to use a car, you first of all check your engine standard. If you check your engine, some cars you will buy a car, you didn't check your engine standard. You don't know how the inside of your engine is. And you buy the car and you say you want to be servicing your car after like maybe 10,000 kilometers before your service. You may end up causing damage to the engine. So before you can use that, you have to first of all, before you do that, you have to first of all check your engine standard. If you check your engine and your engine is still in a good standard, you can use the best oil. If you get a Honda oil and use it in a Honda car, you can service after 10,000 kilometers. Then if your engine is no longer at that standard, maybe your engine is now at 50% standard, you don't need to wait for that 10,000 kilometers. You can service at 5,000. But in Nigeria today, some of us will say we service at the end of the month. Whether we'll cover 1,000 kilometers with service. But that is not the best.
My name is Israel. I'm a technician. I'm into this game for like 18, 20 years now, and I'm enjoying it. Actually, it started when I'm still little. After primary school, my mommy take me to a workshop in Kaduna to start the learning process. After which, like after 3 years, I now went to technical school again to acquire technical knowledge about the work. After that, before I finally graduated, then collect my certificate from my master. I do Toyota, Honda, Kia, and the likes, Most times in my workshop, we do most time engines. Like engine, if you have your engine is running shortage of oil or it has a knock, we used to fix most time engine. Toyota is a reliable car. There's no car that is not reliable. Depending on the maintenance, what makes it to be more reliable is the maintenance. If you use the recommended oil for that particular vehicle, you do after 5,000 kilometers, you go for servicing. But if you use the lower standard of the oil, you do like 2,500 or 3,000, then you go for servicing.
Okay. My names are John Victor Omokudu. I'm 35 years, so I'm a technician. One thing in Nigeria is that safe, independent, like where you have an hard work, is very good. So what motivated me is that I just decided to just have something doing on myself. We specialize on Toyota, Honda, all Japanese. So in gearbox aspect, the thing you need to avoid is servicing. You need to be checking your gear transmission. You check how it's functional. Then the engine transmission, you also check it time to time to avoid damages of the engine or the gearbox. Maintenance matters a lot in Toyotas. What matters in all cars, let me say particularly to Toyota. Toyota is a very good car. Depend the drive mileage, maybe 30 kilometers, 50 kilometers, 20 kilometers, 2 months, 3 months, you change your oil. The transmission oil, 6 months. 6 months you change your transmission oil, your Civic oil, 6 months is very okay for you to change it.
My name is Christian Nwafo. I am 42 years old now. I'm panabiting Kabad weather. I started this work 1999. Learned this work as an apprentice. I started it as Oga as my own workshop in 2005. If your car have anything issue of mechanic, we can fix it, do everything, it will be normal. We are all doing all sorts of cars. Many cars are coming to our garage here. You can do all those things. You can see this one that we are doing now. This my brother that is by my side. He have some little accidents. Then we are trying to fix it now. Depend how distance. Some people change it. If it is a brand new car, you can drive it like 3 or 4 months, depend the instances where you are driving the car. So if that you are driving the car regularly every day, you can every month the car deserves to come and service the car. But if it is once in a week or once in a month, within 2 months, especially in oil issue, you will be changing oil every month so that the car will be okay.
My name is Mr. Clement. I'm now 45 years old and I'm into automobile spare parts. I've been into this very one for over 10 years. Actually, this is not the first business I did, but I later switched into spare parts, then to Honda Motor Spare Parts. What motivated me is that in life, man have to put eventually many areas, to different kinds of business. So at the end, I decided to settle with this. One of the good things about it is that it's movable. The business is movable, and the car in question is also good because they have varieties. They have different types of Honda Accord, Civic, Pilot, CR-V, City, and so on. Formerly, before, people used to complain about the legs, that they used to have problems. But from these new models, they have corrected that mistake. So Honda is good. Before car we spoil, it have to be giving you some sign. Even those days that complain of the leg, it used to give sign. But when you neglected it and continue managing it, one day it will just disappoint you, even when you are not prepared for it. So that's just it. So I will advise those that are using car, whenever you find a fault, try to put it in order. It will even save you cost, because when that thing got spoiled much, it will cost you much.
We are in shop of Lucky Starter Mobile Mechanic. We are into technical work, also technician fully. I've been into the work 30 years plus now, so we have full experience. We can solve any challenge that is anything concerning Japanese car. So we are managing this workshop. as a technician and also a full mechanic. And we specialize on anything Japanese motor. After school, O level, so we went into training into it. So we learn. I learned at least more than 4 to 8 years before I become my own master. So since then, I've been managing the work, join company and work and come out and see helping people. I will have trained more than 12 to 15 people into the field. The first thing among the Japanese cars is their fuel efficiency. On Nigerian, both in Nigerian road, they are legs. So we are enjoying them in Nigeria here because of their fuel efficiency. There's no difficulties they are into their Japanese car that's not handling here. We handle them perfectly and their parts are available. So the American cars, the challenge we're having on them is just the electrical. It depends the kind of oil they use. If it's synthetic oil, because of this our weather, 4 months, 5 months is enough for you to come and service again. But if you use normal normal oil, 0.5 for other ones, the universal ones, at least 2 months plus 3 months, you come and remove it because of our weather.
My name is Chukudi. I'm a technician, car AC. I undergo apprenticeship, which is a normal thing to learn this work. As a young man, I wouldn't like to leave myself idle. And in this field, I saw some young people that have engaged into this work. And so much have passion for it. We specialize on all cars, no specific one, all cars, as long as AC is concerned. There are a lot of problems in AC, when it comes to AC. It depends on what happened at that moment. That can be something can be compressor issue, can be condenser, it can be ordinary leakage. So we have some components in AC system. We have the condensers, we have the compressors, we have the pipes, that's the hose, we have the freezers. So depending on have the one that has the problem. It depends on the car. Like there are cars that has double freezers. That is what is called evaporators. So we have the one that have double evaporator. That is 2. So they consume more gas because of their 2. In AC, in car AC, a gas can stay as long as a year, 6 months, more than that. But if there is no leakage, it lasts longer.
I've been in this work for like 3 years now. Yeah, because I came to Abuja 2019. So I started working in 2020. As I come Abuja, my plan in coming Abuja was not to be a mechanic, you get that? So I came to do one business like that. So eventually I saw that mechanic is the business where we say like I get joy for mechanic, like I dey understand wetin dey for mechanic pass the business where we say I come do that kind of stuff. So I just feel like my pull mind for the business. Then I meet one of my friends, so he gave me some advice. I have no other choice than to enter the business stuff. I deal on Honda and Toyota only. The only problem we are having in Honda is that people normally complain of ball joint stuff, which is the old model, which is the 2005 model of Honda. So they normally complain of ball joint stuff. You understand? But talking about OC Civic, we are not having any issue. The only issue we are having there is nozzles problem and so on. Nozzle plug coil problem. Talking about Honda, based on people who say they get the experience. Talking about Honda is a good car. You can use it for anything. It's good for women, men, young boys, and so on. And it does not consume fuel. For me, I say it's 1 month. 1 month, yeah, 1 month. 1 month is okay.
My name is Abdul. I'm 32 years. I've been for this job for 15 years. What make me choose to be an electrician is because I like the work. And secondly again, because of money no day to go school, to go further. So it make me choose to be the electrician. I specialize on Peugeot and Honda. Peugeot is good because Peugeot is made for Africa road. And Honda the same thing. Honda is good. The engine is very authentic and strong. The problem is Honda is only the legs, the pulling of the legs. And the problem of Peugeot is electrical, the fuse box, the BSI, and the brain box. So that's the problem, that's the disadvantage. But for the engine of the Honda, the engine is very strong and it's reliable. And Peugeot the same thing. They have quality materials. Based on how you use the car, if you are the one that used to travel, at least every 3 months you need to service it. But if you don't used to travel, you need to be at least 6 months. It's okay.